Project Ninja. Today I'm going to take you through a series of training videos. The next video in the series is on the administration portal. The administration portal is where all of the back of house work is done. The system administration menu is only visible in the administration portal. Supervisors do not have access to this. Here you can manage your cost codes, entities, including your suppliers and your clients, the units you want your items to appear in your purchase orders, license types for your inductees, your MSDSs and safe work method statements, price lists, terms and conditions to appear on your purchase orders, status report templates, your weather types, reference libraries, and imports. Setting up the back of house information is important. It will allow your supervisors to easily access the information they need on site and quickly produce documents that previously would have taken much more time to complete. Permissions. Permissions in Project Ninja are set in the Employee menu. Click Employees, select your employee, and click the User tab. You're then able to apply administration rights by clicking Back End, supervisor rights by clicking Supervisor. OHS Officer will allow that employee to receive copies of all inductions completed by new employees. Is Active allows you to make sure that the employee can use the biometric scanners on site. Administrators are able to see all of the menus above: dashboard, projects, reports, employee administration, and system administration. Supervisor access is restricted to only seeing the projects they've been allocated and the dashboard for that project. Creating a new entity. To create a new supplier or client, go to System Administration and click Entities. Click New to generate a new client. Enter the name of your client. Click the Client checkbox and then click Save to create the record. You're then able to enter contacts for your client. You can enter as many client contacts as necessary to ensure that you have all your contacts in one place. You're also able to enter the time zone if you've got sites in different time zones. Lastly, you're able to enter locations for your client. As you take on new projects for a client, you can create a new location to manage your job sites. Once you've created locations, you're able to assign a location to your contacts. This makes it easier for your employees to find contacts that are on their site. Once you've completed a new client in Project Ninja, you're then able to create a project and assign them to it. Creating a new project. Once you've set up a client in Project Ninja, you're then able to create a project. In the Project Database menu, click New. Give your project a name, select the company. Assign a project number to your project. This will appear on all of your site diaries, purchase orders, Dayworks forms, for easy indexing of your files. The site address is important as this appears on all of your purchase orders and will be the delivery address for your suppliers. Select the client you've created from the drop-down list. You're then able to assign a client contact and a status report template. Once the status report template has been added, it cannot be changed, so it's important to ensure that it's correct before assigning it. Once you've entered all the information, click Save. This will generate the project file for your supervisor. Go to Management Contacts to assign a supervisor. You are then able to continue with the setup as per the Module 1 project video. Archiving. In Project Ninja, you're unable to delete certain items. This is to protect data integrity. Instead, there is an archiving feature which will remove from view items that were created accidentally or are no longer needed. There are two options with your projects. The first option is to put a finish date in the project. This will keep the project in view in your project list, but will prevent further editing. The second option is to select Archive. This will hide the project from view if it was created in error. Simply tick the Archive button and click Save. You can now see that the project has disappeared from view. Just like projects, employees can also be archived to prevent them being signed on to a site once they've been terminated. Simply open the employee, check the Archive button and click Save. The employee can no longer be allocated to a site. They cannot sign on to the biometric scanners, which avoids any mistakes with employee data. The last item that can be archived is price lists. Price lists can't be deleted once they've been assigned to a project for data integrity. Open the price list that you want to archive, click the Archive button and click Save. This will prevent the price list from being able to be used or allocated in a project. Status reports. Prior to adding a status report to your project, you must first create a status report template in System Administration. Click System Administration, Status Report Template. Then click New to add a new template. Give your template a name and you can add a description if you like. You're then able to just type in the fields that you want in your status report. Alternatively, you can copy a list from Word or Excel by simply putting a comma between the fields. Once you've added all the fields, click Save. A warning will come up that once you save it, it can no longer be edited. If you do make a mistake, simply add another status report template. Once you've created the template, you're then able to go to your project and select the status report template there and click Save. Cost codes. For easy integration into your accounting system, you're able to enter your cost codes for your labour and material directly into Project Ninja. This allows Project Ninja to then produce an export for you to import directly into your accounting system. To create your cost codes, go to System Administration Cost Codes. Click New, and you are then able to add a new cost code and a description. The colour option allows you to decide what colour you would like that particular cost code to appear on your dashboard. Once you've created your cost code, click Save. This will appear on your cost code list. You can now allocate it to price lists, ready to import your purchase orders directly into your accounting system.